What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. If you're asking, yes, I'm fine from him farting in my face. But yeah, it's all good. But we are here fishing at these apartment complexes. I've heard some really good things about this place. We're gonna give it a shot. It's pouring down rain right now, and I probably will get sick, but I'm not worried about it. Let's go catch some fish. Okay, guys, so I walked down this hill right here, and look what I did.
Looks like you pooed yourself.
And no, I didn't poo myself. I fell in mud. Now, let's go. First fish of the day, and that's a tiny one. Just look at that red mouth right there. That just proves that this fish is a bottom feeder. Well, not necessarily a bottom feeder, but it's been feeding on crawfish. That just tells me what kind of bait that they've been eating on. Okay, so when I caught that fish, I noticed that the top of his mouth was really red, and that just tells me that he's been eating on crawfish. So I'm breaking out the Googan Squad Crack and Crawl. That's the color right there. Okeechobee Crawl. And let me tell you about it. Great scene. No freaking way, dude. No kidding.
Take a picture. Goose.
Wow. Dude, nice. Okay, so we were just goofing off, and I'm like, ain't that crazy if you're, because we were actually just taking pictures at this point, and he just throws it. He goes, oh, I got one. Whoop, sets the hook, and he got a fish. It's a little one, but yeah, yep. We're gonna sit in the car for a minute because we're freezing. There's been a change of plans. Reed will not be joining us today. He's helping a friend babysit their kids, so it's a good thing, but let's give a moment of silence to Reed.
Every time I think about it, I cough.
What's going on? All right, let's go. We're going into Walmart because basically on this YouTube channel, I live here. I might as well just grab a tent and just live out in the woods and just go to Walmart every single day. What in the world? Check this out. Man, that's something serious right there. I probably, I wouldn't be able to fit in it, but I mean, that's crazy. Anyways, I have to go in here and I'm gonna buy a few stuff. It is packed at Walmart today, but I'll see you guys here in a second. So glad that I got that over with. There are so many people in Walmart. I was ready to get the hell out of there. But next stop, we're going fishing. No more playing around. Today we're going to catch a monster.
That's a problem.
First fish of the day. Nice. He wanted it bad.
That thing is huge.
Bass number 2 of the day.
That's huge. You gotta hit the last one a little bigger.
Oh, he's got a good one. Steven's on the board. See what you got there, buddy. That's nice.